If you're dealing with pests in your garden, you've got to try this simple trick. Hey there, gardeners! Welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with pests in your garden and want an organic solution, today we're talking about neem oil, a powerful natural pesticide that's safe for your plants and the environment. Now, why is neem oil so effective? Well, it works in multiple ways. First, it disrupts the feeding and reproductive cycle of many insects like aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies, keeping them from causing damage to your plants. To use neem oil, just mix it with water. Typically, you want about 2 tablespoons of neem oil per gallon of water. Add a couple of drops of dish soap to help the oil mix well with the water. Next, spray the solution on both the top and bottom of your plant leaves, making sure to coat the entire surface. Neem oil works as both a repellent and a contact killer, meaning it stops pests from feeding and can kill them on contact. The best part? Neem oil is completely organic, so it won't harm beneficial insects like bees or ladybugs when used properly. But be sure to spray in the early morning or late evening when pollinators are less active. Regular use of neem oil every 7 to 14 days will keep pests at bay and help maintain a healthy garden. It's also safe to use on a wide range of plants, from vegetables to ornamental flowers. So if you want a natural, safe way to keep your garden pest-free, neem oil is the way to go. Just mix it up, spray it on, and let it do its magic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!